Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if your C drive is full and showing red icon, meaning that there is very little storage space available. Let's fix that problem guys. Let's jump straight into it. Go to search menu and type disk cleanup. Open it. Select the cleanup system files. In here you can use disk cleanup to free up to 1.7 GB of disk space on your C drive. This is my computer. I'll regularly do it guys, every month or every weekly I do it. That's why I'm getting 1 GB of storage in here. In disk cleanup you definitely get 5 GB or 10 GB in here guys. You just want to select all these files, junk files. You just want to select all these files, check mark, and somebody's get Windows Update cleanup in here guys. So Windows Update stores a lots of backup copies of update that are already downloaded but not cleared yet. You just want to select the files also guys. Don't be panic of deleting Windows Update. That's a backed up files. That's why not no more needed guys. You just want to select all these files and select OK. Select delete files, permanently delete these files. This cleanup utility is cleaning up necessary unnecessary files on your machine. Wait for it to complete it guys. After finishing this you should good to go guys. You check to file explorer and your C drive will notice space guys. Go to this PC and you get lots of space in here. Definitely you will notice it guys. And that's it for today's video guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.